There is only one power that enabled Carne to ascend into the heavens, and that is the power of the mind. Carpe Diem, seize the day. Make the most of your life. That's what all the late great ones will say. Work to live and live to grow. Sow the seeds of hope in you, and everyone will know you have a future bright. Most of all, you'll know you have a future bright, bright like the sun in the sky, shining above the clouds we see full of rain. And oh, I know we face struggles at some time, but just like the sun will rise. If only we'd free our minds. Carpe Diem, seize the day. Realize your inner selves and say to thyself and everyone else, be true. It's all about hope, it's all about love, and all that is you. Recognizing life, not all will go our way. Still we are shaped by our thoughts, words that we say. So when reflecting, put your heart at ease, and make today the day you seize, and everyone will know you have a future bright. Most of all, you'll know you have a future bright, bright like the moon and the stars, shining up through the darkest of nights. And oh, I know we face struggles at some time, but just like the moon will rise.